Common Core Language Standard 1, 2, and 3. Parallel structure. Parallel structure is when you use the same pattern of words to show that two or more ideas have the same amount of importance. For example, Mary likes hiking, swimming, and riding a bike. That is an example because they all end with ing and they are all relating to the same activities. As an example of what parallel structure is not would be Mary likes hiking, swimming, and to ride a bike. Phrase and clauses. A phrase is a collection of words that is part of a speech. A clause is any noun phrases plus a verb. These can both be full sentence but don't have to be. Convections. Semicolons are used to connect a sentence which are related in thought. It is used only in one sentence and is not used to connect two. Colons are used to separate clauses when the second sentence illustrates or sums up the first sentence. Spelling should always be double-checked and overlooked to make sure that everything is good. Style manual. A style manual is a way of proofwriting and editing. There are many books that tell you different styles and ways to write your story. Some examples of styles include expository, descriptive, persuasive, and narrative. All of these styles are used for a different purpose.